High above rugged cliffs, drones are uncovering eerie sites hidden for centuries. From mysterious carvings to structures carved into stone, these discoveries defy explanation. What was never meant for human eyes is now exposed, leaving behind chilling questions. Prepare yourself. These mountain secrets may haunt your imagination forever. Number 10. The hanging coffins. High in China's mountains, drones have revealed a haunting sight. Coffins suspended on sheer cliffs, swaying at dizzying heights. Each holds human remains, deliberately placed in this extraordinary fashion. The most famous examples belong to the Bo people, a culture erased by the Ming dynasty. Today, their hanging coffins are among the few traces of their existence, silent witnesses clinging to the cliffs. Why bury the dead this way? Some believe it was practical, protecting bodies from animals and grave robbers. Others see a spiritual purpose, raising the dead closer to the heavens. Similar traditions appear in the Philippines and Indonesia, where coffins also hang from limestone cliffs. Eerie yet awe-inspiring, they remain resting places between earth and sky. Number 9. Mount Nemrut. Drone footage over Turkey reveals one of the ancient world's most extraordinary tombs. Near the summit of Mount Nemrut stands a sanctuary lined with colossal statues, their heads larger than life. They depict both Persian and Greek gods, symbols of the cultural fusion that shaped the kingdom of Commagene. Here, the Persian eagle and lion stand beside Zeus, Hera, and Apollo. But this mountain shrine is more than a temple. It is also a royal mausoleum, believed to house Antiochus I, the kingdom's greatest ruler. Yet the statues no longer sit intact. Broken and displaced, some blame earthquakes, others deliberate destruction. Whatever the cause, their fragments remain scattered across the mountain, solemn, haunting, and powerful, even in ruin. Number 8. Aramumuru. Near Lake Titicaca in Peru stands a strange and imposing monument carved into solid rock, a massive stone door nearly 23 feet tall, with a recessed niche over 6 feet high at its center. Who built it, when it was made, and why remain unanswered questions. The sheer effort required to carve such a structure suggests deep meaning, yet no records or inscriptions reveal its purpose. In the absence of history, legend has filled the silence. One tale speaks of an Incan priest who carried a golden disc said to have fallen from the sky. Placed in the niche, it supposedly activated the gate of the gods, opening a passage into another realm. Yet the monument is only stone, no chamber, no passage. The mystery of Aramumuru endures. Before we go on, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. Number 7. The American Secret. Drones flying near Mount Rushmore revealed a hidden chamber carved directly behind Abraham Lincoln's head. This is not a secret base, but the Hall of Records. Inside lies a tunnel containing plaques that record the lives of the presidents and a condensed history of America. Its purpose is extraordinary, a time capsule designed to outlast our civilization. If humanity were to fall, this chamber would preserve the story of America for future generations, or perhaps entirely new civilizations. Its placement behind Lincoln's head strikes some as coincidence, others as a dark joke. Either way, the public is forbidden from entering. The Hall of Records was not built for us, but for those yet to come, a monument to the future. Number 6. White Mountain Petroglyphs. High in Wyoming's White Mountains lies a hidden treasure carved into stone. Drones scanning the cliffs have revealed hundreds of handprints etched into the rock, as if pressed into soft clay. Some impressions date back 1,000 years, others only a few centuries. Alongside them, ancient artists painted vivid scenes of bison and elk hunts, delicate footprints, and strange geometric designs. The mystery lies in how these prints were made. The stone must once have been malleable, allowing people to leave their mark with a simple press of the hand. Whether ritual or play, the site bridges centuries, preserving a timeless gesture of connection. A reminder that even the oldest art carries something strikingly human. Number 5. Fanjing Shan Temples. High atop the Wuling Mountains rises a site so surreal it could be mistaken for CGI, yet it's entirely real. This is the Fanjing Shan Temple, two sacred buildings perched on a towering rock pillar, connected by a slender bridge that seems to defy gravity. Built nearly 1,000 years ago, the temples were reached only by stairways carved into sheer cliffs. Every stone was carried by hand to the summit, where the shrines were painstakingly raised. Today, Fanjing Shan remains one of China's 5 most sacred Buddhist sites. Monks and pilgrims still ascend its steep path, seeking not just breathtaking views, but the spiritual serenity believed to dwell on this otherworldly peak. Number 4. Tomb of Amyntas. In Turkey's Fethiye region, drones revealed monumental tombs carved into towering cliffs, haunting remnants of the ancient Lycian people. From afar, they resemble grand temples, but inside they are modest chambers where nobles and the wealthy were laid to rest. The mystery lies in their placement. Many tombs were hewn high into sheer rock faces, seemingly unreachable. Why would the Lycians choose such inaccessible sites if descendants were meant to visit? Local legend offers an answer. The living were never meant to come. These elevated tombs were gateways for the dead, where winged beings would carry souls into the afterlife. Today, the Lycian tombs endure as solemn monuments, stone stairways between earth and eternity. Number 3. Sarcophagi of Karagia. A drone survey over Peru's Ukubamba Valley revealed a chilling sight. Human-like figures perched high on sheer cliffs, silently watching the valley below. At first glance, they seemed like statues or guardians, but the real mystery was how they were placed there, with no visible paths or ledges leading up. When climbers finally reached them, the discovery was astonishing. These were not statues, but sarcophagi, holding the mummified remains of nobles from the ancient Chachapoya, the mysterious Cloud People. Standing up to 8 feet tall, the sarcophagi were crafted to watch eternally over the valley, guardians between earth and sky. The Chachapoya civilization vanished centuries ago, leaving behind only fragments of their story and these haunting cliffside tombs. Number 2. Magashan Grottos. High in the mountains of northwest China, the Magashan Grottos cling to sheer cliffs at staggering heights. From afar, they resemble fragile platforms, yet they lead to something extraordinary: 194 hand-carved caves. Inside lie living quarters and Buddhist temples, their walls filled with intricate carvings and statues. Even more remarkable, this vast site was completed around 400 AD, centuries before modern tools. But mysteries remain. Tests show that the sandstone used for many statues does not exist locally, and no one can explain how massive figures and building materials were hauled up such perilous cliffs. The paths are narrow, the walls nearly vertical. Like Egypt's pyramids, Magashan raises more questions than answers, an astonishing and little-known ancient feat. Number 1. Rainbow Mountain. High in the Peruvian Andes lies Vinicunca, the Rainbow Mountain, one of Earth's most breathtaking landscapes. Its slopes ripple with vivid bands of red, yellow, green, and violet, as if painted by a giant hand. Yet this dazzling spectacle is entirely natural. The colors come from layers of minerals, sandstone, clay, and iron oxides, each depositing its own hue over millions of years. The result is a natural masterpiece that resembles a canvas more than a mountain. But beneath its beauty lies fragility. Rich lithium deposits have drawn mining interests, threatening to scar the land. Though currently protected, Vinicunca's future remains uncertain. For now, the Rainbow Mountain endures, a dazzling reminder of nature's artistry and how easily it could be lost. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.